Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Rikman Jimomin President BJP Meghalaya Ulaong baka BJP kamnyo ben yakiwe ki parti namarman ki parti ki Kwah yalagi jong ki parti ban kiyo. Habagren shikilat pathai khubor halor ka jingrung uba Mohendro shaka BJP Ulaong bakum ka parti kan trailang nakbenta banyo yaki jingjom. Habakli lakindon em ki MLA barim ki ban sawan Pynïasoh bat ke BJP Rikman Ulaong ba Kwah ban Pynpaw ya menta hendai kin sadon shu ki ban sawan rung hagi BJP hagi ni kisngi ban wan.
In politics, every party wants its own party to grow. So we never underestimate other political party. As a BJP, we will work and we will work to win. So there is no question of Ba Paul or Ba Rapsang or Ba Maori or anyone else. So as a party, we are going to work together to win the constituency.
So right now, how many more joinings we are expected to see?
See, in politics, in the party, everyday joining is there. So whenever there is a people who wants to join, we accept. We welcome everyone. Anyone can come and join the BJP party to strengthen the party and to bring up the party so that the schemes, the projects which government of India has already allotted to Meghalaya, that has to reach to the concerned beneficiary.
But when will be the next joining?
Most probably this week also, continuously.
Is any former MLA is joining the party?
That I will not able to reveal right now, but joining will be going on. No. In BJP, we never assure ticket to anyone. In BJP, everyone is welcome to strengthen the party.
Inclusion in the party as by-elections will be approaching.
See, whenever a good leaders, a prominent leaders joins, naturally the party will grow.
The name for the candidate for the by-election, has the party taken any decision or
This question has been asking from last 3-4 months.
But will you consider if Guru Rapsang wants to contest?
That is not in my hand. That is in the National Parliamentary Board. Election Parliamentary Board, sorry. See, as usual, our central leadership always wait for the announcement from the Election Commission. So till now, Election Commission has not yet announced it, so there's nothing to rush. We are getting ready with our own work.
Today, in the speech, you mentioned about integrity, unity, and integrity of the country. A bit different mission. We have seen that there were an attempt from Bangladesh side to push Bangladeshi national towards Indian territory, towards Meghalaya sector. So, what do you think about it?
In which area? Meghalaya. Mahendraganj, of course, I also see the news, but I think that is not by Bangladesh. I think that is some mental disorder person only who is roaming around in that area, I think. And lastly, it has been resolved peacefully.
But there is an attempt to even push. So what do you think about this Bangladesh attempt?
See, that I cannot say right now. Whether they are doing it legally or illegally, so that I cannot, right now I cannot tell you.
And what if recently Mr. Rajnath also visited and we went to have a meeting? Can you just elaborate on few points?
That is already come out in the newspaper. No, that's enough. The newspaper, I think you have already seen it.
Adding to my question, what is your stand on this infiltration and immigration at the border?
Infiltration, we are totally against illegal infiltration. Where legally someone is coming, then we cannot say anything about that. But illegally, we are totally against it, and we will work against it also.
today is only induction of
Yeah.
former MLA. We make it a quick end.
I was former MLA Mahinder Rakshamji. He has come here today. He has joined BJP formally, and we are going to work together. As you are asking about my former president Anis Moriji, see, he is already proposed to go to Calcutta, so I think he is on his own way to Calcutta. He is not in the station. So he gave through me a good wishes to all my Raksamji.